Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we're gonna be going ahead and tinting these, making it like smoked out look. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so I got the tint right here. It's like a dark gray kind of look. Here, I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but in person it's pretty dark. So we're gonna go ahead and pop these out real quick and then just use a heat gun and put it over this. Like wrap it over. And so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is grab a small little flathead screwdriver and a like cloth towel. And then you go ahead and you try to pry it out, and then you have to push back on this and it should just pop out. So let me show you guys. Just like that. Alright guys, so the next step is to go ahead and clean this off. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it off with some water just to clean it off. Alright guys, and once you've cleaned it, you want to go ahead and get your tint and just cut a little piece off. A big enough piece so that it can actually cover the whole thing. So I'm going to cut from right here. Then once you've cut it, you want to go ahead and take off this plastic stuff and go ahead and wrap it around the actual light. Alright, and then once you've gotten it like on there, grab your heat gun and go ahead and heat it up. Alright guys, and then once you've gotten it all around, you're going to want to go ahead and cut around the sides. You don't want to cut too much because you want to still be able to tuck it in. Alright guys, so as you can see, I went ahead and cut around so that it's like still a little bit extra but not too much. That way we can still heat it up and make sure it looks good. You want to get all those lines out. Alright, perfect, just like that. Put it back in. Alright guys, as you can see, I went ahead and put it back in. Now, I didn't do the best job right here. I probably could have taken my time a little bit better. There are some lines, but for the most part, you get the idea. I'm gonna go ahead and do it on the other side too. It took me about 5 minutes to do this. It wasn't too long. It's just a pretty quick and easy, cheap mod to do to your E90. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Show me how to con.